Good evening. So today we have a Pokemon game, Pokemon Gold, Game Boy game, which will not save. Let's see what we can do about it. Guess the best would be to start testing it in this very nice pink Game Boy Pocket. And let's check it out for a second or two and then see what will happen. And now I've been lying for around 3 minutes. Let's get the game in and see if we have a save game. No save game, it would be right here. The only option we have is a new game, so game definitely doesn't work. Let's get in here. I don't exactly have the right tool. I found a 3mm normal top. Oh, hard to see due to the focus here. Like this, with 6 edges. I think that have to do. I think there's a special top for these games here. I don't have it. It's the first Game Boy game I am opening. Screw out. And let's open. Slide it and then you can open it. Like I said, first Game Boy game I'm ever opening. Just take a look on the condition here. On this side everything looks fine, and on this side it doesn't look too bad. Maybe these ones are a little worn, these connector pins. We'll just clean them now when we're in here anyways. And I know for a fact nothing have been done to this game since it was new, since yeah, comes from the family. So, and as far as I can read on the internet, the normal problem is just this battery cell here, which is going bad over the years. So, and it needs a little power to keep the saving data, otherwise it will just erase it on its own when it has no power. So let's find my solder things and replace that battery. Let's get the battery off, put a little flux on, something I have actually never used before. Normally I only have used some solder with flux inside and used this to make the solder melt better. Let's see how it's working. Show you what this works like magic. Let's get it off, suck the old solder off. That battery is free. Where is it? I will need just something underneath. And off. And we have a new battery. Please pay attention that the negative side is connected here, the positive here. Also says it actually, plus minus. And when touching these, messing with these batteries, I recommend having gloves on. I have heard something that if there comes a little bit of grease on, they will actually discharge a lot faster. So position must be fine. There is it. And say it looks fine. There's a little left over of all of this flux I put on. We'll just clean it off, and then we'll clean also the pins when we add it. And to clean it, I'm just using some normal alcohol. I also don't think you should do this too early after the soldering. I think at least it's a good idea that you'll make a cold solder, so good risk that that will happen. And now let's just give also the pins here just a little cleaning, just because we're here and they get dirty over time. There wasn't any problem with this game with the whole reading. This is normally only when there's problem with the Game Boy reading the game, but I mean, when we're here, then why not? And that was it. Now let's just get this game cartridge back together. How was it? I think not like that. I think like this. I should probably have paid attention to that when I took it apart, but nah, that seems right. And slide back on. Oh wait, dirt in here. Let's just get the dirt off now when we have it opened anyways, if we can, of course. I don't know if it even goes off. Does go off, but not that easily. That's what I have to do. And slide this one back on the right way, of course. Boom, boom, boom. And this screw here back in. Without tightening it too much, of course. That seems about right. So, game now back together. And then let's see if it have been worth the trouble. Just go outside, just, I don't know, to keep attention. And we are outside. Let's save this one before we meet any more people. And it is saved. Turn it off. And we give it a few minutes. So I have now waited around 3-4 minutes. Plug the game back in. And let's see. Did I manage to fix this one? Is there a save game? Come. And we can continue this time. So this was a great success. Perfect. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and see you the next time. Have a good one. Bye bye.